The Villager and the River. One day, at the edge of a rapid river, a male villager stood waiting to cross. Pacing back and forth, he wondered where the best place would be to cross the river. After a while, the villager decided to sit down and concentrate, and after a short while he remembered, the quietest place in the river is where the water runs deepest, but the noisiest place in the river is where the water runs shallowest. When he came to this realization, he chose the loudest point of the river and crossed safely. Quick thinking and concentration will always help you escape from a dangerous situation.